you don't know, I exclusively upshift without my clutch. Third, second, third. If you're wondering, and I know this is the big fight about it, does it hurt your bike? It doesn't hurt your bike, as long as you do it correctly. The easiest way to do it, like, okay, so we're down to second right now. You put a little, you know, if you're accelerating, you give a little bit of throttle, put your foot right underneath the shifter, and just take as you're pulling up on the shifter, just, all you do is this. It's the exact same thing. Ooh, nice Mustang. Exact same thing that like a quick shifter does. All it does is it cuts throttle for a split second so that the gear can slip into the next gear. Super simple. Try it sometime. It's super nice. I clutch from first to second just because getting through neutral is kind of funky. But other than that, every other gear I clutchless upshift up, and then I clutch shift down because I'm not trying to lock my rear tire.